Hello everyone, this is Kautil Roshan and we will be talking about today about content marketing. So if we are talking about content marketing, let's understand what exactly is content marketing. And today we are seeing the topic like how we can be more successful in our content marketing across the platform. So again, content marketing, if we talk about, it is whatever content that we consume across all the platform, across all the digital platform, to be more specific. So again, you can say Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, blog, article, and other. You can say if we write an email, copy, or website blog that we are publishing, all are the form of content marketing. Now to become successful in the content marketing, we need to see like which content is trending, what kind of content can give me more exposure to the audience and all. For this, let's start with two tools that we will be discussing today. So again, first tool is Google Trends. So let's go to the Google Trends here. So again, if we go to Google Trends, I can search here whatever topic or whatever content like I want to post. Suppose I want to post something related to digital marketing. So I can go here and I can type digital marketing and I can press enter. Then I can see here worldwide data, country wise data and all. So suppose I am going with worldwide in this case. So I can go with worldwide and again I can see past hour, past 4 hour, past day, past 7 day, past 30 days, past 90 days data, or past 5 years data. So suppose like I am looking for past 30 days data, what is trending, and again I can choose here the, you can say the category. So I am going with, you can search here and you can click on that, and then again I can scroll down and I can see from where like it is being more searched, and then afterward I can see the related topics and I can see here related query, like what people are more searching. And again plus 110 is in recent time people are searching more these terms. So again, if you find this term is valuable for your company or the product or the brand that you are advertising, or you want people to inquire about that, so you can surely take that topic. Now suppose we have two topics and then we are confused with which topic content we should write, like suppose digital marketing and suppose second topic is content marketing. So I can go with content marketing, and suppose the third topic is online marketing. So clearly I can compare three things, maximum up to 5 things we can compare. So I can see here clearly, you can see the blue line is digital marketing, the red one is content marketing, and the yellow one is the, you can say, online marketing. So if we see here clearly, digital marketing is the winner in last 30 days. So this will give me an idea like, okay, if I'm confused between these three topic, what I should go and do in my Instagram or YouTube channel and all. So I should go with the digital marketing. Why? Because it is a trendy topic across these three terms, and I can again see what people are searching. So again, if I find this useful, I can use this. Now the second tool that we will discuss today is this BuzzSumo. So again, BuzzSumo, this is the paid account that I am using, and again it is very easy to find here trendy content or the content that are like you can say being used by the people or that are very famous across the websites or across the internet, you can say. So again, if I go here, I can enter the topic. Suppose if I go here and I enter here digital marketing. So again, if I search here digital marketing and I click on search, so again I can see here the content that is trending. So again I can go and I can click on that and I can see here particularly what blog or what piece of content is being more read by the people. Just like that I can go to and check second, third also. Apart from changing content, guys, here we can see here influencer like in the YouTube, in the Twitter, and apart from that I can check the trendy content in the YouTube. So suppose like I want to check like what people are like trending content like people are seeing in digital marketing, I can click on search. After putting here the keyword, I can go and I can search, and when I search here, within a minute I will be getting what people are doing that. So again, here I can see these are the video that is trending. You can see here views, social engagement, like, dislike, comments and all. So again, after that video length, we can see what video length people are posting and how many engagement they are getting. So this will give you an idea about how many length of video you should be uploading in a YouTube, and again what are the content that you can take and you can make video of. Apart from this, I can check influencer also. Like suppose I want to check influencer of Twitter, so I can go and I can put here the keyword. Suppose I want to check for content marketing, like what are the influencer that we have in Twitter for content marketing. And if we talk about influencer are the people like that have lot of followers, and they have the, you can say, expert of that topic. For example, content marketing, so these people again are mostly talking about content strategy, content marketing. So these are the accounts. So I can go through these accounts to find what kind of post they are posting, so that I will get an idea. Suppose if I am also from the field of content marketing, just like that, whatever field I belong to, I can go here and I can search and I will find that. Similarly, I can do that for YouTube also. I can select here YouTube, I can go and suppose I want to find here like something related to growth marketing. Suppose growth marketing, what people are doing, like what content is doing good. So I can go and I can have growth marketing. So again I can see here like particularly I can go and I can see particularly all the accounts that are people are doing and all. So again it will give you an idea. You can go with the Facebook and all to give a better idea. For example, suppose related topic also you can see. So again, startup product marketing, if I go and YouTube influencer, who are they? So again I can go and I can see here. So these are the people who are good in that. For example, suppose I want to find for digital marketing also. So I can go and I can go here and I can type. So if you type famous like words and all related to that, so again you can go and you can see here the YouTube influencer for digital marketing. So these are the channels and all, you can say, particularly these are the person who are very famous for this particular terms. So this is how we can analyze our like we can see what is working, what is not working in content field, and what is the most viewed content across the internet, to create our own strategy. And surely if you do with this method, it will help you in your content marketing plan, and surely you will get more return, more engagement, and ultimately this will be the content marketing success. So that's all for today guys. See you in the next video.